Very good day to all of you. I am Dr. Nilima Vaidya Bhamre, Secretary of the Association of Medical Consultants. Recently, we conducted a survey amongst doctors to see how they have fared during the COVID season. I am presenting to you only the most important results that I thought needed to be shared. We found that nearly out of the doctors who got infected, 80% of the doctors were from the private sector. 40% of these were from the age group of 36 to 50, too young in age. And 16.5% did not have health insurance at all. The government has threatened us that if we do not work, do not keep our clinics open, then our licenses will get cancelled and our registrations of the hospitals also will get cancelled. When the government has nearly forced us to work, the onus of insurance, I think, should be taken up by the government. The government sector has been covered by the 50 lakh death insurance, but the private sector has no insurance from the government whatsoever. The most important reason for the doctors to get infected in the private sector was that the patients were not wearing their masks. Now, this is a very big social responsibility. So, from tomorrow, when you step out of your house to go to your doctor, see to it that you're well masked, you are sanitizing your hands, and you are maintaining social distance. We've already lost 196 doctors. We do not wish to lose even one more. It was also seen that amongst the doctors working for the government sector, 20% of the doctors who needed quarantine facilities were not provided with them. 20% got the quarantine facilities and 60% did not opt for it. That also is the responsibility of the government to provide for quarantine facilities. Also, it was seen that in the healthcare, amongst the doctors, 80% of the doctors had taken HCQ prophylaxis. It did not prevent the infection, but it was seen that only 11% of the doctors needed ICU. So it just definitely shows that the seriousness of the disease was definitely reduced because of the HCQ prophylaxis. The BCG and MMR vaccinations taken at childhood did not give any protection whatsoever for infection from the coronavirus. But we cannot comment on what will happen if these vaccines are given again. In spite of so many hardships that the doctors have faced, it was very important and very heartening to note that more than 50% of the doctors were more than willing to come forward and donate their plasma and try to save as many lives as possible. 40% of the doctors were yet unsure, but I'm very sure that once we talk to them, they will also be most willing. Kudos to my fraternity and very well done. Thank you.